Are you also on the hunt for that perfect smartphone that turns your photos Instagram-worthy, runs your heaviest games with flawless fluidity, and does it all without wrecking your budget? If yes, then this video is made just for you. Because today, we're talking about a phone that's not just a phone, it's a pocket-sized DSLR, a portable gaming console, and a battery monster all in one. Yep, we're talking about Nokia's upcoming powerhouse, the Nokia N75 Pro 5G smartphone. So if you're looking to get your hands on this beast, stick around till the very end. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full features, price, and launch details of this stunning smartphone. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the world of the Nokia N75 Pro 5G. Features of the Nokia N75 Pro 5G. Display. This phone will win you over at first glance. Its 6.84-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED display is so sharp and vibrant, you'll feel completely immersed in every video and every game. And guess what? It's paired with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Seriously, scrolling and gaming will feel as smooth as butter. But here's the real kicker, its survival power. With Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and an IP68 rating, this phone isn't afraid of dust, water, or drops. That means you can snap photos in the rain or binge watch at the beach, totally worry-free. Camera setup. Now, for the part you've probably been waiting for, the camera. Imagine having a 200-megapixel sensor right in your pocket. No joke, this camera captures so much detail, you'll keep zooming in just to admire it. DSLR-like quality, now in your jeans. It's backed by 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and 12-megapixel sensors for versatile shooting. And for the selfie lovers, the 50-megapixel front camera will make every selfie look like it was shot in a studio. This phone literally turns you into a pro photographer. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute beast. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the most powerful chipset yet. And it's paired with 12 GB of RAM. What does that mean? It means whether you're into heavy gaming, running 10 apps at once, or editing videos in 4K, this phone won't stutter or slow down. Storage. No worries. You get 256 GB on board, expandable up to 1 TB. That's thousands of songs, hundreds of movies, and endless photos. Battery backup. With everything else being awesome, how could the battery lag behind? This phone packs a monstrous 8000 mAh battery. That means a single charge can easily get you through a day and a half. And when you do need to juice up, 100-watt fast charging will take it from 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. You'll go make a cup of coffee, and your phone will be ready when you are. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the price tag for all this magic? Despite all these high-end features, the Nokia N75 Pro 5G is expected to be priced around $950. And the launch date, while there's no official announcement yet, leaks suggest we might see it by mid-2026. So hopefully, the wait won't be too long.